Okay, we are going to do a review of the Avery Transfer Sheets. We've got our heat press mat, and we've got our shirt, and we've got the sheets. So we're going to, the design is already ready. It's already in design space. I just got to print it, cut it, and put it on the shirt. So with these, they are a little different than normal transfer sheets. I noticed while going over the instructions that you put the design on the sheets up. So I'm going to be heating it on the shirt like this. That means that I need to mirror the design so it goes on the shirt properly, so it doesn't end up backwards. So for these transfer sheets, I've got to mirror it. They have a website you can use, but see here in the instructions. But I'm going to use my Cricut design space and print it out and cut it through there. We are going to see how well these turn out and how durable these sheets are.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
So here is the turnout of the shirt. Let's do that. This is how it turned out. not bad. I have to wait, I think it said 24 hours before I can wash it, and then that'll be the test to see how durable this stuff is, if it makes it through a wash or not. The other stuff that I was buying, the transfer sheets, you could wash it fine, you just couldn't put it in the dryer or it would ruin the design. So with the other transfer sheets I've used in the past, you always had to hang dry the shirt to make sure that the design didn't get ruined. Now I'm going to test out this design and see how it handles the wash. It says you can tumble dry low with garments inside out. So we will try that. We will wait 24 hours. I will wait 24 hours and then wash it and dry it and see how well the design holds up. And then I will let you guys know. This was the Avery Transfer Sheets. I have used an Avery product in the past. I've gotten these pre-cut business cards. See, there's these sheets that are perforated, and you just go through the website, use their template to design your business card, and then print it out. See, I've got business cards. There's front, back. So that is I've used Avery before. Now I thought I'd try out the transfer sheets. I found this brand at the local Walmart. I usually get my products off of Amazon to do shirts, like the vinyl and all this fancy vinyl. But I seen these shopping at Walmart one day, and I thought I would give them a try. So this is my review of the Avery Transfer Sheets. They said they're stretchable fabric iron-on. This was like $6-7. I don't remember exactly. And there's only 4 sheets in the container, or in the package. There's only 4 sheets in the package. So there you go. So after waiting 24 hours, I gave the shirt a wash, and as you can tell, the quality is not that good. You can tell that some of the ink washed off. It was all cracked through the design. It's just really poor quality, and the design really diminished right after the first wash. So I'm not happy with this product. I would not recommend this product to anybody for iron-on designs. So now I am going to do this design up in vinyl and show you guys what the shirt looks like when it is done in heat transfer vinyl. So here is a comparison of the heat transfer vinyl versus the iron-on transfer sheets side by side. The quality of the heat transfer vinyl is so much better than the iron-on. The colors are better. It'll last a lot longer. Way better quality. So this is one of the reasons why I use heat transfer vinyl for my designs on my shirts. I'm happy with the quality of it. I'm happy with how bright the colors are in the vinyl, and the selection of vinyl that you can get is just huge. There's just a huge selection of vinyl out there that's available. So here is my comparison and my review for this fall design. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you have a comment about the design or what you think about either the heat transfer vinyl shirt or the iron-on vinyl shirt, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.